The most important environment for you to care about and focus on is actually the environment that is inside you. And this environment is actually affected by everything on the outside. You've got to clean up the mess. You've got to remove the toxic metals, the mercury, the cadmium, the arsenic, the lead, the cesium, the strontium, the gadolinium, the graphene, the PBEs, the PBDs, the PCBEs, the PFAS, all of these environmental chemicals and environmental pollutants that are known to cause so many problems. You take the trash out of your home probably every day. You have to do the same thing in your body, because if you don't do this in your house within a few days or a few weeks, your house is loaded with garbage and it becomes almost inhospitable. This is the most important step.